Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, August the 8th, 2023. My name is Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. All right, well, we've seen, uh, I'm hearing about Moody's talking about placing some banks on the review, such as Bank of New York Mellon. Uh, this is going to obviously bring back those memories of not so faded away, such as the Silicon Valley Bank fiasco, what happened that day. So this could obviously bring attention to a lot of investors. The bond markets are worldwide. They're trending lower. Everything is it seems to be in a day in one of those days that is red. The Nasdaq, at least it has so far in this time frame, it has made a triple bottom. It's making a triple bottom, even though it has four at times where the market has come down towards this level and is rebounded from here. So this area should obviously bring attention to us as now being a good support level. So let's see if the market will actually rebound from here or as the open in half an hour, more or less. If at the open, the market will continue to just trend lower. So if that happens, I have my support at 15,185 and my resistance at 15,600, which I don't think we'll get to it today. So I'm more inclined on a down day today, selling. Also, the S&P, we have that channel that if we enter a big sell-off in the S&P, well, initially our level of support will be the first one met. After such, then we're gonna be using this around this level uh, of 4,400, psychological round number around that level. We should find some support on it. But if the market happens to enter or do a good correction, that correction, like I said yesterday, uh, initially should be more than 5%, around 8 to 9% of correction. So that could be in the works. The market could be just settling into enter that prospective correction to the downside. As far as Dow goes, also the Dow is trending lower, even though, even though we are still within yesterday's range. So we will first of all have to meet yesterday's range, and for those of you that will find uh, some opportunities here that could be taken, and the continuation to the downside, 35,000 is very close to, somewhat close to our support. So use that as your target. Then we have crude oil. Also, it made a steep or a pretty deep uh, drop off after trading around $83. Now it's changing and it's gone down to $80. It rebounded from that value. So will this simply be a bull trap? Okay, it could be, but we gotta be careful into how we trade this. This is gonna be one of those days that correction or pullback are in place. Then we have Nat Gas, which is kind of flattish right now in today's session. So 270 could be that pivot point. Then we have gold that has just really trended lower. So 1920 will that initially be a support for it? Talking about Monday's August 4th low. Then my support is at 1911. So initially, just sell gold, sell silver, 2250 could be a support for it. Copper is the one that is really in a nice long candle. 370 could be that support for it. I have mine at 367, but then we have Bitcoin that finally broke out of this ranging level. It rebounded off this resistance. So let's see what will happen to it. Then we have the euro, which is trending lower, most likely because the dollar index is also trending higher, the same as the pound, and the dollar index is trading higher. So as the dollar index continues, if the dollar index continues to trade higher, then we'll see a continuation of those red candles grow even more. So keep that in mind. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me today. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.